We're here! Going to the podium. Let's go! Andawin na kami. Papunta sa iyo. Happy birthday, Mami! Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Andito na kami sa podium. Ayan. Alright. Ayan. At ito ang celebrant. Mami! Hi! Happy birthday! Ayan. Akit na kami. Thank you! Let's go! See you there! Look at that. Ang taas.
Podium lobby. Kabila ito ng mega.
Ayan, tita ko. Tita ko maganda.
Iya, pag-Christmas sa dito na pa.
Welcome back! Kita kami sa inyo. Happy birthday, Mami! It's a birthday vlog. There is the new. Let's go. Let's move around there. Yan, mga kasama ko. Dito na sila. And start na. Wow, look at that. Oh. Ah, nice. I think much better to. Ayan. First one. Ayan. Pwede na. Dito kami sa may view. Wow. Let's eat. Let's go. Mami! Ate! Tulubi! Hi! Thanks! Wow! Roast beef! Ay! Sarap po dinuguan. Bakit wala kang lagay? Video. Nakalbo na yung lechon.
Opo, ma'am. Peppercorn sauce, ma'am.
Wow, ito yun o. Cebu's best. Rico's lechon. Wow. Oh, ito may shawarma. And they also have Daddy. Hello. Daddy. See that? Hi everyone. So ito yung first meal ko. Meron akong smoky ribs, beef, kimchi, fried rice, kare-kare, and another beef. And my dumplings. Daddy, focus here. Here, my food. Let's eat. Ayan si Ate Luby. Oh, pakita mo. Wow. Hello. Hi.
Ito yung food mo.
Ayan ang pagkain. First plate. May white wine. White wine, sabi niya. Mamaya yung white wine. Tapos meron din silang filtered water. Strawberry lemonade. Mayroon silang iced tea. Oh, iced tea. May na kiwi. Oh, masarap ang kiwi. Ano kiwi? Four Seasons. Tapos, sour soup and infused water. Dami. Ito yung first plate ko. Meron steak. Tapos meron din.
Pwede naman magkamay, ano?
Then meron din. Dumpling.
Ba't ako di mo pinaglagay ng ano?
And also meron din tempura.
Masaya doon po, ba't pala bisa?
Let's eat. Cute! Hello! Let's go! Tara na! Let's go! Let's go! Wow! Cottage pie. Wow, sarap.
At other year, punta mas malapit sa gate. Sa may entrance. Gusto naman kami dun
Mamaya.
Saka tubig, pero tayong
Picture na, kaya mo na picture.
picture lang. Sige, bigyan mo pa dito.
A few moments later.
Nagulat. Na-surprise siya sakto. Saktong nagpa-picture siya. Happy birthday! Kinutsura ni Pam. Sabi ni Pam, si Ate Su. Hi, Ate Su. Welcome back to Philippines.
May contact na yun. Siguro
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Aiden. Happy birthday.
pati sa cake.
Labas natin, labas natin. Wow, look at that. Apo. Happy birthday. Mamaya may ano.
Eh, wala kang lapis eh.
Upo ka na lang. Nakaupo ka. Yan.
Mamaya ulit.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Sama ka. Happy birthday. Video. Happy birthday to you. Hindi. Oh, blow mo na, blow na. Make a wish. Hey! Eto pa, oh. Ate, meron pa, oh.
Wala naman tayo.
Ay, oo nga. Yan na. Ate, sama ka. Ayan. Oh, blow. Blow na. Wow. O, na, make a wish. Happy birthday, Mami. Oh. What's your wish? Ha? What's your wish? Oh, go na. Happy birthday. Okay. So they have cute sofa. And they have chips. And we have different kinds of tempura. Wow, look at that. Hindi pa tayo kinakanta. Yung ice cream at Hawaii. Mami, cheers! Happy birthday! Thank you!
Dapat ko naman ng sulo. Sabi ko sa iyo kanina, magpipicture ako.
Ganda, ang ganda dito sa room. Aiden! 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 Laki na niya, no? Laki na ni Aiden. Hey, Dad. Tapos, ayan, pack up na kami, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. And I will see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye! Oh, cute! Naghihintay pa kami sa aming drop. Wala pa as of now. So, yeah. We're waiting.
O yan, hindi pa natin sasabihan, Nata.
Nag-aantay pa kami ng grab namin. Aiden!
Ito, tutunan na.
Hi!